Personal information. So when you dispute personal information with Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, Innovis, sometimes you'll get this. We cannot delete that personal information because it's tied to an open account. That is a lie. That is a stall tactics, and that is them not wanting to update the information accurately. Now, believe it or not, one of my students, Dwayne, got a $50,000 check because of the same reply that he got from Experian. So let's look up a case law. Nelson versus Experian. Right? We're gonna look up this case law. And I want you to see straight from the CFPB website. So the Fair Credit Reporting Act provides that if a consumer contacts a consumer reporting agency to dispute the completeness or accuracy of any item of information contained in the consumer's file, then the CRA shall conduct a reasonable reinvestigation of the disputed information. The CFPB and Federal Trade Commission file an amicus brief arguing that the provision applies to consumer who disputes concerning personal identifying information contained in the consumer's files, such as names, addresses, and social security numbers. So the brief argues that Experian contrary interpretation was not based on the text of the FCRA, prior case law, or guidance from the CFPB or FTC. Experian, therefore, should not be allowed to escape liability for failing to investigate the consumer's dispute here. So basically, what this is saying is, I don't care if they think that that information is tied to an open account. It doesn't mean that it's accurate. If you send in your driver's license, a utility bill, and it has the correct spelling and address on there, they have to update the information. If they do not update the information and still furnish inaccurate information on your consumer report, you can sue them. And like I said, my student Dwayne got a $50,000 check from Experian for this very same thing. So use this personal information letter below, send it off to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and go get your personal information cleaned up.